Another common thing we see here in the office is a lot of tension through the mid-back. This could be uncomfortable, especially for desk workers, people who work a lot of manual labor jobs such as construction, or a lot of lifting, a lot of exercise. And so obviously we want to be adjusting the spine to help keep things moving, but we're really big on home education. So we want to give you some exercises and some tools to do things at home to keep things moving. So if you haven't seen one of these before, this is called a foam roller. I love them because they're very inexpensive. They're very easy to keep at the house. Most gyms have them, so they're very widely accessible. So typically foam rollers are used to roll out tight muscles, hamstrings, quadriceps, things like that. But we're going to change it up a little bit. Instead of using it to roll out tight muscles, we're going to use it to help promote some mobility through the mid-back. So I'm going to have Sammy come in and help me demonstrate. So with this, we're going to lay the roller on the floor and we're going to sit right at the edge of it. And she's going to nice and slowly lay back. And you'll see everything should be lined up nice and straight, so that foam roller is right along the spine there. And then, is this comfortable for you? Okay. And we're going to have you pull those arms out to the side. And you can see this is going to give nice mobility through that mid-back without a lot of extra pressure. And it's going to help stretch out the front of the chest there. So very comfortable position. I recommend do this a few minutes a day, either at the beginning of your day or the end of your day, kind of whatever seems best for you. And then when you're finished, we're actually going to take a nice slow roll to the side. So go ahead and roll for me. Good. To slide off that roller and come up. So you want to take your time on this, maybe a little lightheaded just from being in that position for a little while. But we want to make sure we don't just jump right up off of it. Everything has relaxed in that time. So nice slow roll to the side and gently come up.